All Hindu relatives watching this video, please comment, Swami Sharanam Ayyappa. Swami Satnam Ayyappa. Unlike anywhere else in the country, Shabarimala has 18 most sacred steps installed in an emerald monolith in front of the shrine of Parashurama. Built solely for the purpose of making devotees virtuous. These 18 steps represent 18 hills, 18 deities are being invoked. Those 18 hills around Sabarimalai, their names. 1. Kalaikatti, 2. Injipura Fort, 3. Puducherry Mala, 4. Karimala, 5. Nilimala, 6. Shabarimala, 7. Ponambala Madu, 8. Maladam Madu, 9. Chitrambala Madu, 10. Thalaparaimala 11. Neelikkalamala, 12. Devaramala, 13. Shripadamalai, 14. Kanthamalai, 15. Mathangmalai 16. Sundaramala, 17. Gondanmala, 18. Nagamalai, these are the hills around Shabarimala. The inhabitants of those worlds in the 7 and 14 worlds, the great men, all the deities, were enshrined there in those 18 hills, in the 18 temples, as the guardian deities of the temple, as protectors, as attendants. Devotees of Sri Dharmashastra, who is the Mulavirata Murthy, were regularly worshipped and festivals were celebrated. People visited the 18 Dharmashastra temples built on the 18 hills dedicated by Parashurama and received blessings. All these 18 Mahakshetras are considered as Apara Vaikuntha Kailash. This glory continued for a long time. Gradually the devotees got confined to Sabarimalai hill. Since it was very difficult to visit the Swami temples situated on other peaks, the pace gradually decreased and finally they stopped going completely. Sabarimalai Kondamitram is lit up with the crowd of devotees. The light of Sabari Girish spread all around. At such a moment, the 7 sages Kashyapa, Atri, Bharadwaja, Vishwamitra, Gautam, Vasishtha and Jamadagni called Parashurama to these hills. Apart from Sabarimalai, he visited all the other 17 temples located on the mountain peaks, consulted all the gods of the world, who are the attendants, supervisors and guardians of the temples in the respective regions, and with their consent, in the presence of Lord Sabarigirishu at Sabarimalai, the unique power of those deities is in the form of 18 steps. Those great divine power is worshipped in the presence of Swami in every form. Even the smallest impurities present in the corner among the Ayyappa devotees are removed and purified and taken to the presence of the great replicas. Any devotee who steps on it should not step on it being impure. The 18 level deities are the guardians of the initiations of Ayyappa Swami. These 18 deities, invitations have been sent to the 18 divine holy feet. These deities also have great importance in the worship rituals that take place in Shabarimala. The names of these deities are 1. Nagayakshi, 2. Mahishamadini, 3. Anaponeshwari, 4. Kali, 5. Krishnakali, 6. Bhairavi, 7. Kartavirya, 8. Krishnapara, Karuppuswami, 9. Hidimbu, 10. Batala, 11. Nagaraja, 12. Renuka. Parmeshwari, 13. Swapna Varahi, 14. Pashupatimu, Pratyamkara, 15. Earth Goddess, 16. Aghor Bhairava. 17. Pashupata, 18. Mrityunjay. Swami Sharanam Ayyappa. Please support us for more videos, like and comment subscribe.